Hey guys, Jason Byrne here. I wanted to show you another demo on Squarespace 6. So by default, Squarespace 6 has compatibility for Google Docs, so you can store your data right into a Google Docs spreadsheet. So what I have here is a standard page with a standard Squarespace form, and I just have a bunch of different fields created. And I have a hidden field here, and I want to show you that. So let me pull open. I have an old version of the site before I hit it with CSS. So you can see at the very bottom here, I made a drop-down box with a required field, and I just gave it one selection. I called that webform-jasonbrone.com, and I made it required. But then I went ahead and I hid that with CSS display none, so it's not on the actual form itself. So what happens is when we submit, the data automatically, or that particular field automatically gets sent over, and where's my form, to the Google Doc. You can see that there's a column here for the lead source. You have web form Jason Byrne. It's just useful for tracking purposes. It's a kind of a nice way to control what your source code is, or whatever. But not only am I storing this information in Google Docs, but because it's Squarespace lets us do this, let me go over to Google Contacts and see if I can find I believe this is the one. Yes, so Z test form with 2 M's. So that data is being copied into Google Contacts. All the form fields are being filled out. Some of them I just kind of did, like the birth date. I'm filling that in with the submit date, but obviously I could change that. And I'm even pulling in the message to be put into Google Contacts. But also I am sending this information into Mailchimp. So if I refresh my list here, let's see if we get a new contact in Mailchimp, which we should if this loads anytime soon, which it has. Okay, so the newest one, I guess it would be, I think it's with the 2 M's here at the bottom. So it did pull that data in, and you can see actually it pulled that source into Mailchimp as well. So this is useful for when you want to send lists to specific leads that came in or whatever. So we're doing that all at once, and all this is made possible because Squarespace now integrates with Google Docs.